Just simply come onto this website, do what I tell you, and then start making hundreds of dollars for yourself actively all online. Hi guys, what is up? How's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $329 in free PayPal money online as a complete beginner. This method is completely beginner friendly and you don't need any investment whatsoever to get started. All that you need to do is simply follow me along step by step till the very end and not skip anything. And without wasting any more of your time, let's jump into app number 1. Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're going to be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe. App number 1. So at app number 1, we have picoworkers.com. So guys, when you come on to picoworkers.com, you will see this dashboard in front of you. So their tagline says small gigs, big results, and guys, that is exactly what they live up to. So they work for business owners, they work with freelancers. So like what I want you to do is that I want you to work as a freelancer over here on their particular platform. So Pico Workers is basically an online marketplace that connects freelancers around the world with business owners. Businesses who need other people to help them to support their work come to Pico Workers, and here they can hire workers for easy and quick jobs. They also accept payments in cryptocurrency and they also pay out in crypto as well. So how do small gigs work? So small gigs work like this. So like for example, a client posts a job, like for example, I want somebody to like a video or to share a particular video. The client posts that, the client also puts a budget next to it, and you can also see how long has it been since this particular job was posted. Now once you know all of this information, you can choose to apply on this job and do this particular job if the client accepts your proposal. Now if the client does not accept your proposal, you can actually move on to the next job. So that is basically how it works. And on the right side, we can basically see a summary as well. You simply select jobs you like, you explore required tasks, you complete these tasks, and you send required proofs. After that, so now you can basically see that you can deliver work and get paid. So this is how small gigs are great work. They are easy to do and require little time to finish. These are jobs like take a survey, categorize images, help promote content, and many others. You can get credited immediately after the task is reviewed, and you don't have to wait a month or more for a payout. Now from over here on the right side, you can basically see the balance, the small job balance, and also if you have posted a job, that is available over here too. So like for example, if a client wants you to write a blog or something like that, you can essentially outsource that work and keep the commission as well. So that is basically how you can even scale this particular form of business. Now from over here, even have an affiliate link. So you can simply post your affiliate link on blogs, on different threads, on different forums, social media, or other places, and you can simply earn passive income whenever a person signs up using your referral link. And that is basically how you can actually earn passive income with this particular method as well. Now you have a success rate over here too. So workers must maintain a success rate of above 75% at all times, and too many not satisfied tasks will lower worker success rate, and low success rate prevents a worker from performing jobs for the next 30 days. So all of these things are to be considered when you are going to be working with Pico Workers, but all in all, they are a very nice website for anybody who is just starting out in the freelance world. So guys, this was app number 1. Now we're gonna move on to app number 2. So at app number 2, we have earnably.com. So guys, earnably.com basically gives you digital rewards and gift cards easily. So you can earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, and taking surveys. It is that easy. Now over here below, you can basically see what their interface looks like. So they basically have offer walls through which you can earn points for yourself by simply completing all these offers. So over here, they might have offers take a particular survey, watch a particular video. Basic tasks, nothing too complicated, and you can do those things and you can earn yourself points. So that is a very nice thing, and honestly it takes a couple of seconds. Honestly, you will be done within a minute or two after doing all of these offer walls. So you can even complete offers, you can even get rewards. So for example, you can get 23 points for just doing 5 minutes of work, or 58 points, or 17 points. It all depends upon the difficulty of your task. So for example, if a particular task is very hard to do, they might pay you more. If a particular task is very easy to do, then obviously you will be paid less as compared to some other tasks. So that is basically how that works. And you can earn instant rewards in the form of PayPal gift cards, Amazon gift cards, Domino cards, Best Buy card, like StubHub, Xbox, Airbnb, and all these big brands that you can basically get rewards for. So after that, you can even invite friends and you can earn more as well. So what happens is that you simply share your affiliate link with your friends and family, and whenever they sign up, you basically earn some money all in passive income, all on autopilot. Basically, you won't need to do anything whatsoever, and all that you're going to be doing is simply sharing your affiliate link with your friends and family, or with like people randomly from all around the world, and you will be making money from that. So guys, like, it is super simple, and all that you need to do to get started is simply click on sign up, and then after that, from over here on the sign up page, you will be able to see your country. So like, my country is not supported because like I'm using a VPN right now, but like your country must be supported, and you can simply get started by putting in your full name and your email address, and that is basically it. So guys, this was app number 2. Now we're gonna move on to app number 3. So at app number 3, we have streetbees.com. So guys, streetbees.com is basically a platform that is going to pay you for just like, answering different questions, for like basically becoming a part of their AI data resources. So like, what happens is that you can simply earn money if you were to like, simply answer questions and like different stuff on their particular platform. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is a really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. And guys, one last thing is that make sure to watch out for different scams as well, because some of the applications, some of the websites that I talk about in this video are very curated. So like basically I go through everything myself and I make sure that everything is secure. But if you go out on your own on the internet, well, there might be some people who might try to scam, and I don't like that. So make sure to pay close attention to only the websites that I talk about and only the applications that I show you, not any other websites, because only then will you be able to fully achieve methods and be able to monetize your time properly without getting scammed anywhere. So guys, that is basically what I have to say for now. Now you might face some problems whenever you are trying to log in and log out from this website, because this website has a lot of traffic and usually the servers go down. But make sure to just wait a second, have patience, and if you have patience, everything is gonna work out perfectly. But still, if you guys can't seem to figure it out the proper way, well, then you know how you can contact me. Simply comment down below and I'll be sure to reply to your message and to clear out any of your queries. So like, that is basically how you can use this particular platform to earn yourself an income, and honestly this is the best out there. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.